Welcome back. This is Mr. Greenstein's Geometry. We're in Chapter 11, and we're in Section 2, Areas of Circles and Sectors. So let's take a look at that. The area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So let's use this example. If we have a region that is 3-mile radius, and it has a population density of about 6,195 people per square mile, find the number of people who live in the region. So the first thing we can find out is the area itself. And the area is going to be 3 squared times pi. And this is approximately 28.27 miles squared. Now we have 6,195 people per square mile. So we take 6,195 and we multiply times 28.27, and we get approximately 175,160. We don't have a decimal place because having a decimal place of people, that means part of a person. That's kind of cruel and inhuman. A sector is a region inside of a circle bounded by 2 radii. So here I have a radius, and a radius, and the sector is this shaded in area. The area of the sector is the whole area, which is this whole circle, pi r squared, times the fraction of the radius, so we're going to, or of the circumference. So we have the angle, the arc angle AB, divided by 360. So then we'll use that to find this formula here. I have 8 inches as my radius and 70 degrees as my central angle, which is also the same as my arc angle. So now I plug it into this equation here. So I write this as pi 8 squared times 70 over 360. And that is approximately equal to 39.1 inches squared. In the real world, we sometimes have to measure things like walls. So here's a wall in a building, and we need to paint it, and we know what this whole area is because it's going to be 26 by 20 or by 36. So the whole area is 36 times 26, and that equals 936 square feet. Then we have the area that is not there, which is this archway. So we have a rectangle that is 16 by 16, so that's 256 square feet that are not going to be there. So we subtract that out of the 936. But we also have this semicircle going here, which is 8 feet and 8 feet squared, 8 feet, and we're going to figure out the area of that. So the area of that semicircle is going to be pi 8 squared, and then it's going to be 180 degrees over 360 degrees, which is 1/2, since that's a semicircle. And I will let you come up with the computation. You subtract that also from the total area. The semicircle is subtracted, this rectangle is subtracted, and then you get the area that you need to paint. We will discuss more of this in the next class period.